Hey, welcome. In this video, we are going to continue build our dashboard and we will update our real nickname inside real-time database. Let's go. In the last video, we created editable input and we defined this onSave function that we pass down to editable input. So this callback function is going to receive our final input when we click on save button. So let's now use this data and update our database. So as before, we're gonna use our database object to access database. Then we need to specify reference to the database. So we're gonna put profiles slash, we're gonna use string interpolation. Here we will put profile.user_id. And now we need to update only nickname. We don't want to update created at, so we need to be more precise when it comes to referencing something inside real-time database. So we need to reference this name over here. What we can do, we can actually reference it in two ways. We can put just slash over here and put the name, or I prefer another way just to make it, more user-friendly. I would put child over here, and here I also need to specify path, but this path will be relative to the path that we specified inside first reference. So let's put just name. So we're gonna specify child of this path inside database. All right, or actually let's put it in a variable. Let's put it, let's say user nickname ref. Then we're gonna define a try catch block because we are going to work with asynchronous data and promises. So here we're gonna put await, and then we simply call username nickname ref dot set, which will write data to the database, and here we're gonna put new data that we receive as an argument. After that, we will notify user with success message, and we will say nickname has been updated, and again 4 seconds. And for any error, we're gonna put error message, where we will put error message as its text, and also 4 seconds. All right, seems nice. Let's check it out. Let's navigate back to the app. When I click on edit, let me change my nickname to Andrew B. Then I click save, and nickname has been updated. And if we go back to the database, you can see that the actual data is changed. Let's try one more time. Let's put just, I don't know, Andy. I click save. Nickname has been updated. Database is updated. Everything seems nice. Oh wait, if you still have a question, why exactly this hey Andy being updated when we update the actual data inside the database? Okay, one more time for explanation. Inside our provider context, we use subscriptions, real-time listeners for our data. So for user reference, which is our database path under profiles user ID, we put real-time listener, these callback. So this callback fired every time something changes under this path inside database. So if let's say name changes under user ID, then this callback will be fired, and we will update profile state with this data object, which will be new at the time when this callback is fired. So the same applies for created at or for any other field. So if we had something like age over here, and if age has been changed, then this callback will be fired, and so on. All right, I guess that's fine and you get it. Now let's commit our changes and finish the video. So let's put git add everything, then let's put git commit, let's say updated nickname inside the database. All right, looks good. See you in the next one.